The Volvo Cars Safety Centre is one of the world's most modern facilities of its kind. However, it is not simply used for testing cars. Volvo Trucks also uses it.
My name is Ulf Torgelsman and I'm responsible for crash tests performed by Volvo Trucks. Today we are setting up a crash scenario when a truck is hitting another truck from behind, a rear-end collision.
It has taken almost 2 weeks to prepare this truck. The truck has now been attached to a track using a cable. The crash dummy is strapped in using the safety belt. Otherwise, the product developers would have no chance of succeeding with the fundamental purpose of their work, saving lives. The truck is going to collide with an 850-ton block of steel, which has been adapted to represent the back of a trailer. After a final check, the vehicle is reversed into its starting position.
So now everything is prepared and it's time to run the test. We will have the truck coming from this side and hit the bullseye, which is here.
10 high-speed cameras have been fitted inside and outside the truck. Both the truck and the crash dummy are equipped with a large number of sensors that are going to measure the forces to which they will be exposed. The overall aim is to provide the engineers with as much data as possible. Imagine an accident in which the driver realizes too late that the truck in front of him has stopped. He manages to brake and reduce speed to between 50 and 60 kilometers an hour, and he swerves slightly at a 30 degrees angle before colliding with the truck in front of him. Directly after the test, the engineers make their way to the truck to see how well it has withstood the collision. However, many weeks of analysis remain before their evaluation is complete. The types of crash that are simulated here, in which one truck hits another from behind, account for 20% of the truck-related accidents in Europe. This is known as a result of the knowledge acquired by the accident research team. Volvo Trucks own accident researchers over the past 40 years. Without their work, it would be difficult to create the most relevant accident scenarios. Since the 1920s, Volvo Trucks has made safety one of its top priorities, and this work is never ending.